Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I will compare build and design between the focal Bathys and Bowers and Wilkins Px8. Both use premium materials for long-term durability and refined aesthetics. The Bathys pairs aluminum yokes with soft leather ear cushions for a substantial closed-back feel. The Px8 employs carbon fiber and leather to reduce weight while keeping rigidity. Px8 measures about 305 grams for comfortable all-day wear versus Bathys around 320 grams. Both fold for travel and ship with quality cases and interchangeable cables. Now listen to the sound and noise-canceling differences between them. The focal Bathys focuses on a warm mid-range and controlled bass for musical presentation. Its tuning emphasizes vocal clarity and instrument separation for critical listening at home. The Bowers and Wilkins Px8 offers a wider soundstage with more pronounced highs and extended imaging for immersive content. Px8 active noise canceling excels on low-frequency engine rumble and cabin noise, reducing ambient noise around 25% in typical commute conditions. Finally, compare features, battery life, and overall value for buyers. The focal Bathys delivers about 38 hours of wireless playback and supports wired connection with high-quality cables. The Bowers and Wilkins Px8 offers roughly 30 hours of battery life and includes fast charge for quick listening boosts. Both support multi-point Bluetooth and companion apps for EQ and firmware updates. Expect Px8 Street pricing near $99, while Bathys typically retails around $99, depending on region and promotions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.